So you've created your custom URL. You decide you want to rebrand, or you've decided to change your custom URL for one that is a lot easier. Well, in this short video, you're going to discover the latest way to change your custom URL. Let's get started. For this, I'm going to jump on a computer and show you how to change your custom URL. You should already be signed in. Now go to your About Me page. You can do that by going to aboutme.google.com. A link to that is in the description below and on screen now. The link will take you to the About Me page. When you're on the About Me page, you should see your channel. If you can't see your channel there, in the top right hand corner, click on your icon, and from the drop down there, select what channel you want. Once selected, go to Sites, which is here, click on the pencil icon, and then from the pop-up where you see your channel URL, click the X. So it will ask if you are sure you want to remove your custom URL. If you proceed, your URL for your channel will no longer direct to your YouTube channel. If you still like to make a custom URL, you will need to go to your YouTube to claim a new one. If you want to carry on, click Continue. Then click OK. Your previous URL will no longer be available. You can claim a new one following the steps in my previous video. You need to meet the eligibility requirements, which is, again, 100 subscribers or more. Your channel should be at least 30 days old. You will have needed to upload a photo as your channel icon, and also uploaded some channel art instead of the YouTube art that comes with the channel. You can change your channel URL up to 3 times a year. Your previous one will no longer be available. Note, you cannot claim your custom URL from the About Me page, and it also may take a couple of days for the previous URL to stop directing to your channel. To claim a new one on your channel, click on the settings, then on the left click Advanced. Under your channel settings here, it will say whether you are eligible or not. If so, click on the link and follow the steps. A more detailed video is in the card above and in the link in the description. There are so many reasons why you may want to change your channel URL. Just bear in mind, once you've deleted your original channel URL, it's free to be claimed by another channel. Well, you can see the process is quite simple. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, where I help entrepreneurs, businesses, individuals, and creators just like yourself get online with video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. There's so many reasons why you may want to change your channel. There are so many reasons why you may want to change. There are so many reasons why you may want to change your channel URL.